Okay, here we go. We're just about finished. Now this is where the magic happens. Okay, we've been letting the beans go for about an hour. The beans been simmering for about an hour. We got the callaloo. We took it out of the can. We heated that up. We put some Georgie's all-purpose rub in there. We put some salt in there, some garlic powder, some garlic onion powder in there. We put some nutritional yeast here in the beans. And we put some diced onion. Now, this is where the magic happens, y'all. We're going to take the callaloo that we simmered all up and nice and pretty. We're going to add that to the black-eyed peat. Excuse me. Aki, what did I say?
Callaloo.
I'm sorry. Callaloo's over there.
That's callaloo. This
is the Aki. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm all callaloo. So we add that. We're going to mix this all in together. You feel me? Baby. So we got that in there nice. Mixed up in there nice.
Oh my Lord.
Don't it smell good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, Lord.
Kind of like vinegary, kind of like a thing.
Yes, Lord. So we got that all mixed up in there. Lord have mercy. Look at that. Whoa. So that's all nice up in there. We got that off. We got that straightened out. How good is that, huh? Look at that.
That was delicious.
That's magically delicious right there. So then, okay, we got the everything straight. Look at that, huh? You want to make sure you kind of get up underneath that because you don't want to mash the beans. You know what I mean? There you go. So that's good. Now we're gonna go ahead and we got the rice all straight now. The rice is done. Boom. That was about 20 minutes. So I had some salt in there, some lavender. Put some lavender in that. Some lavender. Ooh-wee. Some lavender flour. So here we go. We're going to make this up. So we're going to take some rice. We're going to take some of this ricey rice and put that on top. Woo woo. Like that. Maybe a little bit more rice. Right? Then we're going to take some of the ackee, the black-eyed peas. We're going to put that on there. Like that. Add a little bit more. See that? All right? Then we're going to take the greens, the collard greens. I mean, they're not collard greens. They're actually... I made a mistake and used the wrong one, but that's okay. I used the wrong spoon. But we can get another spoon over here though. To get the greens. Take some of these greens. Put these greens on there. Let that drain out. We're gonna take these greens and put them right on top of this rice. Look at that. Right on top of that rice there. You see that on top of the rice? Right on top of that rice there. Boom. There you go. 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 Look at that. Huh? Look at that. That's what it looked like. That's what it looked like. Let me turn it around so y'all can see that. That's what it looked like. You heard me? That's what it looked like. So the whole process from start to finish is about an hour and a half or so, give or take. So there you have it. There you have it. Now I'm gonna take some fresh parsley and sprinkle that on top. Some fresh parsley on top of that. Give that some love. And we'll pop a little color on that. So there we go. That's it right there. So we have black-eyed peas with ackee, rice, and callaloo. Now that's a Sunday dinner for you right there. Boom, boom, bam. Look at that. Now, I gotta take a picture of this for y'all so we can see how delicious it is. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Magically delicious. You can see the steam coming up off of that. I don't know if you really want to see the steam though, do you? You want to see the steam? Let me go ahead and put this down. I'm trying to get the steam back up off of it because let me do it from this side. This is gonna be off the hook, y'all. Okay, we cool. We got it. So there you have it. So guys, so that was we did a sneak peek earlier today. Today is January 5th, 2020. Again, Happy New Year. And we'll be, as I shared earlier in the video, we'll be doing a Sunday sneak peek every Sunday at 2 p.m. to about 2:15. We'll be doing a plant-based type meal, healthy plant-based type meal, where we're taking a animal product type meal, staple meal that we do, and flipping it and doing it in a plant-based version. Absolutely delicious. Feel free to share this video. Make sure you subscribe to the link below. Also hit the like button. Also hit the, what's it called, Aaron?
The little bell icon.
The bell icon.
For post notifications.
For post notifications. That's my nephew. He's classic with that. He's awesome, my little nephew. So you can get updates on all of our videos. We look forward to impacting and changing your life with some healthy, phenomenal, amazing food. So with that said, I'm George Duar from Georgie's Live Cooking Show. Until next Sunday, where we'll be doing the Sneak Peek Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching. Fired up. Here we go. We're going to go in. Let's just taste it now. So now we got the black eyed peas with the ackee. It's got the peppers, the onions, the garlic in there. We got the jasmine brown rice up in here. We got the callaloo. Now you can use any kind of greens you want. You can use collard greens. You can use kale. We got the jasmine brown rice. Man. Lord, thank you for this food. Bless it. Let it be a nourishment to our bodies. In Jesus' precious name, amen.
Amen.
Let the church say amen.
Amen.
Let the church say amen again.
Amen again. How is it?
What? That's good right there. It's bringing me flashbacks of when we used to get out of church when we were young. And my mom would do some kale. I mean, she'd do some turnip greens or some rice. Let's do this ackee and these black eyed peas. What?
How is it?
How is it? This is banging, y'all. Ooh-wee. Touchdown. Home run. It's good. It's all good. That's banging right there. Woo. Wait till you guys try this. This is out of control. Banging. Good.